Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the thumbnails, I'm about to show you how to reset your Yahoo Mail password even if you don't have access to your recovery email or phone number. So make it sure to watch it until the end. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, open your browser, go to login.yahoo.com. So if you don't have an access to your email, just enter your username instead. And just enter your password. If you don't have, just tap forget password. Sometimes Yahoo lets you answer security question or show another link email you forgot about. Alright, to change your password, you need to turn on desktop mode. Tap the three dots at the top right corner and then scroll down and tap desktop site. After that, go to your profile picture and tap account info. After that, go to your security section. And now you can change your password without email, old password, or phone number. So that's it. Now you know how to reset your password without needing your email or phone number. Thanks for watching and see you next time.